Hi, my name is Barry Vitou, partner of Winston Strawn, and I run bootlaw.com for emerging technology companies, a monthly meetup aiming to demystify the law for them. Here are my 5 top tips for protecting your IPR. First, work out what IPR it is that you want to protect. Is it branding? Is it copyright? Is it confidential information? Once you've worked out what it is, will largely drive the sort of protection that you're looking for. Looking first at confidential information. What do you want to do if you want to keep things secret? Well, you could take a leaf out of Colonel Sanders' book, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. He used to famously keep the recipe in his head and the secret spices in the boot of his car. If you want to keep something secret, you could adopt the easy route of simply not telling anybody. But what Colonel Sanders does these days is keep it in a vault in Kentucky and make sure that anybody that knows about it signs a bulletproof confidentiality agreement. We strongly advocate that anybody sharing confidential information gets a confidentiality agreement signed up with the person they're sharing it with. Second, branding. We frequently get startups coming in to see us who confidently tell us they've protected their brand by registering a company, incorporating it with the name of their brand and claiming all the domains. We immediately tell them they should go off and register a trademark. A trademark will always trump a domain and a company name, and in many cases, with the use of the trademark, you will be able to reclaim the domain and the company name and force Companies House to change it. Copyright, my next tip. Copyright is automatically granted to the creator of a work. If you want, so therefore it sounds like it's pretty easy to protect. However, the key is that that work has to be created during the course of their employment if you're an employer. So, we frequently see that startups will call in favours from friends and family, and the copyright that is created by those individuals will not automatically vest in the startup. In order to achieve that, you will need to get it formally transferred to you or assigned. And the key there is basically to get a sentence from them agreeing that that is what they're going to do. A friendly lawyer will be able to, like us, or like me, will be able to provide that sentence for you. And perhaps just double check with their employment contract that they're actually in a position to transfer any IPR that they have created to you. And my final tip for protecting your IPR is to make sure that you respect other people's IPR rights. There's a case rumbling away on the TechCrunch blog at the moment. At best, if you copy someone else's IPR, you could be accused of plagiarism, and at worst, you could be in for an account of profits to the person whose work you've copied. So those are my 5 top tips.